There's something quietly confident about a small couch that knows exactly what it is. The HIFIT 58-inch Loveseat doesn't try to dominate the room or pretend it belongs in a mansion. It shows up with clean lines, warm brown faux leather, and the kind of mid-century calm that makes a space feel intentional instead of crowded. The design leans heavily into classic mid-century modern, and that's a good thing. The rectangular silhouette is simple, almost disciplined, balanced by solid, tapered wooden legs that lift the sofa just enough off the floor to keep it feeling light. The faux leather upholstery carries a leather texture that looks rich without trying too hard. It's breathable, soft to the touch, and friendly to pets, which matters more than most people admit. This is the kind of couch that fits just as naturally in a small apartment living room as it does in a bedroom corner or office waiting area. The button tufting is where the sofa quietly flexes. Handmade and evenly spaced, the tufted seat cushion adds depth and character without crossing into decorative excess. It gives the Loveseat a tailored look, the kind that suggests care and intention rather than mass production. It's subtle, but it's also the detail that makes people look twice. Comfort is where skepticism usually lives with smaller sofas, but this one holds its ground. The seat depth of 20.5 inches strikes a comfortable balance, deep enough to relax, but not so deep that posture disappears. The 105-degree ergonomic reclining angle supports the back naturally, while thick, high-density foam cushions provide firmness without feeling stiff. It's supportive enough for sitting upright with a coffee and forgiving enough to stretch out after a long day. The cushions arrive compressed, which can look a little underwhelming at first, but a good padding session brings them to life quickly. Underneath the clean exterior is a solid wooden frame paired with sturdy wooden legs. This Loveseat is rated to support up to 800 pounds, which is a quiet promise of durability. It doesn't creak, wobble, or feel unsure of itself. It feels planted, stable, like it plans to stay put for years. That strength also makes it practical for shared spaces, playrooms, or anywhere life tends to happen a little louder. Size is where this sofa really shines. At just under 58 inches long, it fits where full-size couches simply can't. Small living rooms, studio apartments, bedrooms, offices, even reception areas benefit from its compact footprint. It fills space without overwhelming it. Pairing it with a matching 3+2 setup is an easy way to create a cohesive look while keeping proportions under control. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. The faux leather covers the entire surface, resisting wrinkles and wear while staying easy to clean. Everyday messes wipe away with a towel. Tougher stains respond well to leather cleaner. Creases from vacuum packaging aren't flaws, just temporary reminders of shipping, and a garment steamer smooths them out quickly. Assembly feels almost too easy. 5 clear steps, about 20 minutes, and the Loveseat is ready for use. No complicated tools, no frustration spiral. It's the kind of setup that respects people's time. The HIFIT 58-inch Loveseat doesn't chase trends or overpromise. It offers solid design, real comfort, and practical durability in a size that makes sense for modern living. It's calm, capable, and quietly stylish. The kind of couch that fits into a life instead of asking life to rearrange itself around it.